I'm about to go to the gym. I had some frozen berries in my fridge, but now they are melted because, I'm near and I'm hot. Just joking. I'll let them outside of the fridge for like 3 hours and I'm gonna add some yogurt and some other stuff to them and I'm gonna make a nutritious, high in protein meal like myself. Yes, I am high in protein. I'm also low in fat. Low fat meal here. I had some yogurt left, I put it in there. Now I have no more yogurt in my fridge. It should be a national emergency. Yeah, I put some peanut butter there also, as you can see, the brown thing which looks like peanut butter is peanut butter, okay? I like it crunchy. My pre-workout is almost ready. I also added some hazelnuts, some walnuts, and I'm gonna go nuts. Yeah, I also added pumpkin seeds, and just so you know, pumpkin seeds are high in zinc. Foods that are high in zinc increase your testosterone, and if your testosterone is increased, you build more muscle and burn more fat. I got another tip for you. If you feel like you cannot stop eating, start chewing a gum. And if that doesn't work, you need help, my friend. I just got home. I finished working out like 25 minutes ago, and they say that you should eat like within 30 minutes after your workout, so I only have 5 minutes. I better hurry up before I lose all my gains. It's good to eat like within 30 minutes, but it's not like if you go in 31, you're just gonna go skinny again. But yeah, I better hurry. I'm about to eat my post-workout now. I got 2 eggs here, straight from a chicken's butt. And I boiled them even before I went to the gym. Now I'm gonna eat them. Each one of these has 6 grams of protein, and each one of these has like 80 calories. So yeah, it's a great meal after your workout. The only problem is that the eggs don't get digested as quick, but for me it doesn't matter. But I'm kind of not a dietitian, so do whatever you want. I'm also gonna have some fish oil here. This is fish oil, and fish oil has a lot of vitamin D, and it's really important in the winter especially because there's no sun around and you need a lot of vitamin D. And by vitamin D I mean vitamin D, not something else. I just finished peeling my white eggs and I'm gonna go add some white cheese to them just to make it more delicious, and I'm also gonna add some hummus. Apparently hummus is an Egyptian food, and I really hope it's not made of mummies, because every time Egypt is mentioned I think of those creepy creatures. Yeah, they're not creatures, right? You wanna be hot like me? Then eat hot sauce. Everything that I cooked is in my stomach now, and they're gonna be in the toilet very soon. I need 15 more grams of protein because according to these articles I read, everything I ate only had like 15 grams of protein because the 2 boiled eggs had 12, and also the cheese and hummus add some, but not much. So I have to make up for 15 other grams of protein. Apparently you have to eat at least 30 grams of protein post-workout, so I'm gonna make myself some milk and peanut butter powder. And yeah, it's 3 words and it's 3 times delicious. So there's my milk, and here is my peanut butter powder. Yeah, that's my best friend. And I'm gonna add 2 spoons of it to the milk, and apparently it's gonna be only 6 grams of protein, which is disappointing. I really need some protein in my life. But guys, I really hope you learned some new things to cook today, pre and after your workout, and try these foods that I cooked today because they're nutritious, delicious, and superstitious. I don't know about superstitious, but hey, maybe you eat them, you just get abs like me. Like, who knows? I mean, people believe in dumber things than that, so give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.